Industrial Procurement Services is a full-service material handling systems integration company.
We pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop for our customers. We are working with our clients from concept to completion. We are helping develop their ideas based on their needs and their goals for the business, and then also advising them based on industry standards, best practices, and new technologies as they come out.
What makes Industrial Procurement Services unique is that we are really relationship focused. We come in and we learn as much about the client, we learn as much about their operations as we possibly can, and we work with them to develop solutions.
Boot Barn last fiscal year was just over a $1.5 billion company.
With Boot Barn's rapid growth, the decision was made to look at a more centralized location for another distribution center, basically to have the ability to ship to each of our stores within 2 days.
IndPro, we asked them to come up with a conceptual idea that was kind of based on a lot of the stuff we had done in our facility in Fontana, California, but we wanted to kind of bring it to the next level and really make sure that this building serviced our stores and serviced our customers at levels above what we had done in our other facilities.
When Boot Barn decided to build this facility here in Kansas City, it was our goal to develop a system that could get 500,000 units out the door each week. We brought automation, we brought robotics, and we were able to cut the labor requirement in half.
It took about 11 months from design to implementation.
This is the largest robotic picking system in the US. It's been wonderful to be able to work in a facility with state-of-the-art robotics, state-of-the-art conveyance system, and bulk storage system.
We have actually robots that are pulling and picking totes based on what we've received and what we're going to ship out. But we're also doing some other things here in terms of efficiencies and how we set up the conveyor and the way we're picking product that we believe will bring some real labor savings. Big thing is going to be that our stores are going to be able to turn product faster into the shelves, which is the most important thing for us.
We really strive to be best in class in robotics and automation. It is why we put such an emphasis on finding new robotics technologies as they are launching and proven, because we want to make sure that we are bringing the best and the brightest to our clients.
It's extremely important to have a trusted advisor such as IndPro on a project of this magnitude. I knew there was one person to go to for any of the issues that we would come across with the building of this facility.
It's about all the vendors that they bring to us, and they're really managing those vendors. They know particularly what our business needs, what our customer needs, what our stores need, and how that relates to what we need to do within a facility to get to that level.
E-commerce has seen explosive growth over the last several years, and companies like Boot Barn that have a large internet presence, they need to be able to implement automation just to keep up with the growth. And it's systems like this that allow them to get there.